there we go. Welcome everyone to the Minecraft build log in actual Minecraft with a PC, my friends. By the way, this product key is Windows and Vista, so don't care if you go on ahead and, well, you know, take it, because, well, that's just stupid. People have Windows X Vista. Vista is a stupid operating system. Now, I'd like to also welcome and shout out a few people, including my friend Hudson, Hudson, you can stand in here now. How cool are we? We're in Minecraft, mate. Oh, there we go. Right. You guys will never see us until we hit 250 subscribers for a face. Actually, no, I think I'm at 150 subscribers for a face review. Now, today we're going to be building a PC, but guess what, Hudson?
Yep.
That's your screwdriver.
Oh, sweet.
So, we're going to build a PC. Now,
Stone Age!
This is going to be really, really fun. Now, Hudson had the idea to put it in Minecraft, so we actually are in the green screen right now. And actually, this is... hang on a sec. Let's just center that because OCD.
Yeah.
Okay. Right. Let's do it. So first off, what are we going to install? Obviously, we've installed the motherboard pre-hand. Now, we would use an anti-static wrist strap because I don't have one. It's being absolutely stupid. Hudson, just touch this and ground yourself for me. No, with your actual hand.
Oh.
Alright, Hudson, you're successfully grounded. Something I learned at my college. Right, so Hudson, what's the first thing that we installed? We installed the motherboard, but what's the next thing we have to put in?
I'm guessing the wires.
That's a little bit later. What goes in there?
Cookies.
Hudson, it's called an optical drive.
Oh.
This is an optical drive, people. Just to mention. Right, slide that in there for me. Right, job done. Now, what are we going to install next?
Cookies.
This is a power supply. We're going to put the power supply in now, and I have the screws all lined up here, and hopefully I did not show my face off, because if I am, I'm going to have to blur it out again, and I hate doing that because Vegas takes forever to render. So, Hudson, please install it for me.
Right.
I'll move out the way. Hudson, do not get your face in.
Alright. I believe this goes in here.
That's, I think, how you do it. Let's see what happens if I do this. Actually, no, I'm not going to touch it. Right, Hudson,
Yep.
what's the next thing you got to do?
I believe we got a connector pin here.
You forgot something.
Oh, screwdriver. Right.
Yeah, no, but what do you need to do?
I need
The power supply is loose.
I need to screw it into place.
Correct. So your screws are here,
Here, alright.
and they go in a cross diagonal pattern.
Alright.
So we're going to go ahead and put it in at the back here.
Alright.
I wish I had another camera because people could actually see what we're doing. So
Ooh,
try
Windows Vita.
Vita.
Yeah. What is this right?
Yeah, it's Vista, not Vita.
Sorry, dyslexic.
Oh my God, Hudson. Right, start screwing them in. Now it's crisscross, so I recommend you do a crisscross pattern first.
Alright.
By the way, have you ever built a PC before?
No, I never have.
Is this exciting for you?
Yes, and this isn't going in. It's loose.
Typical! This is what I had when I was doing my time-lapse build. Can I borrow that?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Alright, here we go.
Ah! Oh, I cut myself.
Oh.
See that, guys? That's what happens when you work with PCs. Don't cut yourself.
Yeah. Because blood loss is bad for you.
Hey, guess what?
Yeah.
Frank!
Oh! Don't do that, man. Don't do that.
Oh, sorry, bro, but it's called April Fool's. Oh, wait. April Fool's was like a week ago. No, it was more like...
That was actually 20 days ago.
Alright. Fair enough. Oh, well. But anyway, guys, so this is the system that I'm developing for the new work server.
Yep.
This will be running VMware ESXi on it. This server will also be equipped with a Intel Core 2 Duo E9400 or something on those lines, 94, I can't remember exactly what it is. But it's going to have a quad-core processor in it, and it's going to have 8 gigs of RAM in it. And this system is actually not very power hungry, it's quite efficient, this system. And Hudson, you can do the rest now. I kind of took over the job for you. Sorry, bro.
Alright. Okay guys, whilst I'm doing this, I just want to give a shout out to my channel. Check it out. It's Visor Productions, or you could go to my Facebook, which is Visor Lighthouse. Check it out, guys. It's real good, and it's got a couple of posts on there I think you'd like. So, give us a shout out. We're gonna come right back to you. Okay, bye. Ow! Jeez, my head.
I'm putting that in the bloopers. Just to mention, we're in the attic, and the attic is such a small crawl space. What are you doing to yourself? Okay, should I continue the build?
Yes, continue.
Okay. I can't wait to duplicate the audio. Okay guys, so the next thing that we're going to do when building our PC is we're going to obviously go ahead. We've got our 4 screws on the back of the power supply now. Hudson, how tall are you?
6'3".
Yeah, I'm 6'2".
Oh.
So that's why I never hit myself in this place. Yeah, no, just great.
I'm crying over here, people. I'm crying over here.
Alright, so next thing that I'm going to do is install the power supply unit. Pretty much it's the ATX standard 24-pin power connector. Now, I'm actually not going to attach the hard drive today because I'm actually trying to wait for the hard drive to be in order, so that's what this power cable here is for. That's just going to stay here. Now we're going to attach our front panel connectors, and the actual reason I'm rebuilding this is because this is actually a new motherboard, because the old system that I had actually, I fried the BIOS on it, I removed the BIOS chip off it, and I was an absolute stupid idiot for doing that. So now that we have a replacement motherboard installed, we're able to go ahead and, oh, whoops, I connected, goes here. So your front USB goes into your front USB, obviously everyone should know this by now. You know, Hudson, I think we should have had a secondary camera.
Yeah, we really should have that.
Yeah. Now I do apologise guys also for the quality. My capture card is not working, so I'm having to use a standard 640 by 480 capture card, and I know it's horrible, but best I can do. Got our DVD connector here. I'm just going to plug in the ATX power supply connector though first, and then finally, cable management is a huge priority. So what we're doing is I'm going to first put the cable in here and plug it in and try and route, if I can, a nice power supply connector like that. Right, that's nice and clean. So this is the SATA power cable, data cable, so I'm going to plug that in now. Just make sure the cables are fully installed, and I've got to install the front panel now. Completely forgot to do that. Hudson, you're just looking at the green screen footage, aren't you?
Yeah.
That's awesome. Right, so now that I've got this plugged in, I've also got to work out where this one goes. This is the front panel audio connector, so that goes into here. And also as well, Hudson, we might be able to get something working for you as well.
Sweet.
I really need to build you a PC, don't I?
Yeah, you do.
I mean, Hudson's only got 2 laptops, and that's it.
Yeah, I'm pretty,
broke. Let's just
broke.
put it that way. Right.
Anyway, guys, before we continue, once again, shout out to my channel, Advisor Productions.
Hudson, that's my line.
Okay.
Thank you. No, but as I said, shout out to Hudson's channel, Advisor Productions, but also I would like to shout out a few people this week on the tech channel. We seem to be losing a few more subscribers, so I'm a little annoyed about that. We were at 90, now we're at 88 when I was recording this, and that really did get me. Oh, whoops. Something I don't like about this
Your
cat.
face is in the shot.
Oh, crap. Now I have to blur that out. Well done, me. Vegas Pro time. Oh, dear.
Well, technically it wasn't your face, it was part of your head.
Yeah, anything that involves my head. Because guess what, guys? Until you hit 150 subscribers, I'm not reviewing my face. Which just makes it more difficult.
How many subscribers do we have now, by the way?
We've got 88.
Sweet.
Oh yeah, by the way, if this video comes out before, we are doing a live stream on Monday on the 23rd if the internet connection goes well. But other than that, as you guys can see here, one fully built system. I'm going to install this VMware ESXi off camera because I've already done a video about how to install VMware ESXi, I just haven't published it yet. So that'll be coming out very soon. But other than that, guys, thank you very much for watching. Please hit that like button, do subscribe. Follow my friend's channel, Advisor Productions. You know, I can put a YouTube, actually, you know, let's put a YouTube recommendation little circle there.
Okay, guys, if you want to see my channel, you can see it right here.
Okay, Hudson, that's going to make it very difficult now for me to put in. But just somewhere in this video, you will see it. And also, subscribe to my channel, and you can also watch a few of my other, few of my videos over here. Anyway, guys, Hudson, can you please push the button for me?
Alright, Nerf gun, people.
Oh, Hudson. Anyway, guys, take care. Peace out for now. Bye. Hudson, click the button!
I'm pressing the
Just push enter.